Hello everybody, it's CreativeSarah here, and we are gonna do this cute Here Comes the Sun transfer. That is a silkscreen stencil, if you're wondering what that means. Look at these pretty colors. We're gonna make it look like a beautiful sunset. So first, peel your silkscreen transfer off the backer sheet, and you're just gonna place it onto your surface, whatever you want to chalk on, whether it's glass, mirrors, window, wood, chalkboard, metal, anything. Then you're going to take your squeegee. We're going to do what we call an ombre effect. So first I'm going to apply some of our Sunnyside yellow chalk paste onto the top. Then in the middle, I'm going to apply the next color, which is our super pretty peachy keen. And I'm gonna leave like a little space in between the colors. So you apply it, make sure it goes through the stencil, and then you leave just a little extra because we're gonna blend it. So you can see with the squeegee, we just scrape the paste along the silk screen to make it, push it through the silk screen and get it to your surface. Now I'm gonna pick up some Sunset Drive. I love this color. All right, so once we have our three colors on there, I think I need to put a little bit of yellow on there. Once we have those three colors on there, we are gonna start to blend, but I wanna add a little bit more yellow. Give me a little more blending power. Okay, now you're gonna get your finger just a little tiny bit wet. So I tapped it in a little bit of water and kind of wipe it off. You don't want it drippy. And just start blending. Really easy. The first two colors goes together nicely. Then you're gonna take a totally different finger and you're going to blend the next two colors. Of course, then you gotta wash your hands before you peel the transfer back. This is awesome. It's gonna be a really awesome reveal. If you want more ideas on how to do this, definitely visit CreativeSarah.com. I am getting ready to reveal. 1, 2, 3. Check it out. OMG, you guys, it's so cute. It's so easy. You gotta try it.